Ta-ta, motherfuckers! What's going on, everybody, and welcome to another Chopper Spy Cat update. Tonight's update is the biggest milestone I've hit to date. That's because I finished episode 18. I'd actually finished it Sunday, but I'd made a slight error, and I was exporting everything at 3835, and I should have been doing it at 3840. So I just had to go and re-export all my files. So it took a little bit. So here I am. We are done with the season finale. I've got a little bit of recording to do. I was able to record my cousin last night, and I got to do some recording of Peyton, of a couple of lines. But other than that, episode 18 is done, and it's on to the next steps. And so that's what I want to talk about. I want to talk about what are my next steps, because I got some details that I want to take care of, some I's to dot and T's to cross before I release this thing. So let's talk about those. First off, I want to go back to episode 1 and fix the audio. Because when I first started, audio was the thing that I knew the least about, and so I needed to do a lot of learning. And I was using this mic, and everything kept coming out tinny. And I knew it was a good mic, so I knew I was doing something wrong. I ended up getting some sound dampening blankets, things like that, and it just kept coming out tinny. After a little bit of research, it turned out it was really stupid on my part. I was talking to this part of the mic, and I should have been talking to this part of the mic. Once I did that, everything sounds good, so I need to go back, re-record everything in episode 1, replace it, and be done with it. After that, I want to go back to the earlier episodes, like episode 1, 2, and 3, and retroactively apply some of the techniques that I've learned along the way, just to kind of punch up the quality of the animation, make it just a little bit better. Once I get that done, I'm going to move on to the trailer. And the trailer should go pretty quick because I'll have all the clips and I'm just going to kind of put them together, put some audio, and bingo, it should be done. And as soon as I have a release date, I'll release a trailer. After that, I want to start banking up some social media content. And the reason I'm doing that is because there is a fun social media element, a little bit of a game, a contest that's actually going to have some prizes. They're coming out of my bank account, so they're not going to be big, but they're going to be something, some gift cards, and you get some bragging rights and a little bit of scratch, so kind of fun. Once I get enough social media content banked up, then I'll work on a website. That's the thing I care about the least. I'm probably just going to whip something out, use a web builder, and be done. But I just want something for bios and planet bios and character bios, things like that. So, we are really close. Those of you that are following, I appreciate it. For those of you that are new, my name is Jay, and I am working on a cartoon I call Chopper Intergalactic Spy Cat, and we are this close to releasing episode 1. So until then, let's talk soon.